So now that we have created our stream analytics job, and also we have our Hill IoT Hub ready, we need to set up the stream analytics so that it starts reading from IoT Hub. So we're going to set the input on Hill Stream Analytics. So I click on it, I open it. And here, as you can see, we've got inputs here, query and output. So I click on inputs. And here I click on add to create a new input. So here we need a name for it, but we've got many options here. The first option is source type, which is data stream. And where it comes from, I click the IoT Hub so that it comes from IoT Hub. Basically, I have only one IoT Hub here, so I leave it the same. So it's messaging, and that's the shared access policy, IoT Hub owner that I'm using, consumer group, and the format is JSON. I'll leave it to that. So I name this Hill IoT Hub. That's my input. So yeah, that's okay. So I create this, and it is testing the input to make sure that it works. And once the testing is done, you can see that my input is added here. Now that I have my input, just the same way, I can set up an output. So if I click on output, here I can add an output. So depending in our next part, I'll talk more about this, but I just want you to see the options here. So the sync of the outputs, we've got event hub, or we can also like use our storage to just output it to blob storage, table storage, document DB, data lake store, SQL database. So we've got a lot of options here. So after we made sure that we are sending JSON to our IoT Hub, and we can start setting outputs. And depending on the stage we are in our program, we can set different type of outputs. For example, if we are just processing the information, we can use Event Hub and Event Buster to actually send the output again in the loop to process it again. Or if you're just going to log the data, any kind of data, process the data or the raw data, sensor data, we can use a blob storage and just simply store all the information there. So we'll talk more about this, but now we could actually connect our stream analytics to our IoT Hub.